Good morning, afternoon, or evening to all of my marching babies. My name is Alana, Lonnie for short, and I will be teaching you all about marching band. You might be wondering, what is marching band? Do I want to be in marching band? Is marching band the right place for me? Well, if you're wondering all of these questions, don't you worry about. That is what my channel is for. In this channel, I'm going to teach you from the little stuff to all the big boy stuff. Part 1. What is marching band? Marching band consists of a group of musicians who play instruments while marching. They combine music, movement, and visuals. They usually perform at football games, parades, and competitions. Part 2. What makes a marching band a marching band? Well, marching band isn't just people playing instruments while walking. It's a synchronized machine made of three main parts. Marching band is a group of musicians who play instruments while moving in formation. It combines music, movement, and visuals all at the same time. Marching bands usually perform at football games, parades, and competitions. So, there are different sections in marching band actually. Woodwinds include instruments like flutes, clarinets, and saxophones. Brass includes trumpet, trombones, and tubas. Percussion includes drums and other instruments that keep the rhythm. There's also color guard, who perform with flags and add visual effects to the show. Part 3. Marching Basics. Marching correctly is really important. You have to stand up straight with good posture. Most bands use something called an 8-2-5, which means 8 steps for every 5 yards. You also have to stay in line with others and sometimes march in place, which is called marking time. Playing an instrument while marching can be challenging. You have to control your breathing and keep your instrument at the right angle. Most of the time, you memorize your music so you don't have to look down. Staying in tempo with the rest of the band is also really, really important. Drill is the set of movements you perform on the field. It creates shapes and patterns that the audience can see. Each person has a specific spot called a dot that they need to hit. You also have to be aware of the people around you so you don't run into anyone. Part 4. Practice and Discipline. Marching band takes a lot of practice and teamwork. Rehearsals can be long and sometimes tiring. You have to practice both your music and your marching. Listening to your director and working together as a group is really important. What do we do? Marching bands perform at football games during halftime, at competitions when they are judged, and in parades. In competitions, bands are usually scored based on music, visuals, and overall performance. Part 5. Why do people love marching band so much? A lot of people love marching band because it helps you make friends and feel like part of a team. It also builds confidence and discipline. Performing together can be really exciting and rewarding. As we're reaching the end of the video, here are some fun facts. Some marching bands have over 100 members. Many shows are based on themes or tell a story. Marching band is also often considered both a sport and an art because it requires physical skill and activity. And that's everything you should know about marching band. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos. Drop a comment below if you're in a marching band or thinking about joining. I'd love to hear about your experience. Also, If there's anything specific you need help with, like marching technique, memorizing music, breathing, or anything else, leave it in the comments. I'll make videos giving tip on whatever you guys want to learn. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one, my marching babies.